Harry's defensive skills are being put to the test. He must evade missile lock for at least 5 minutes.
There's nothing I love more in this job than proper air combat, gloves off, and winning.
It's kind of like if you'd been caught speeding and you had the police chasing you down a motorway. It's like trying to shake the police off your tail.
When you're defensive, you're looking over your shoulder and pulling G at the same time. It's just a horrible experience. Absolutely don't want to get shot because in real life the consequences of that are pretty tragic.
A minute into the flight, Kev's closing in for the kill. Harry climbs aggressively to safety.
Every manoeuvre you do and you look back over your shoulder and they're still there. It's really frustrating to have someone with that much experience behind you.
Speed low, recover. Speed low, recover. Speed low, recover.
Harry's successfully kept Kev out of range for more than 6 minutes. But can't fully shake him off.
Sweet. Nice one, mate. I thought that was pretty decent effort. Good defensive actions, and you held me off for as long as you could, so well done. Spartan 3-1 is ready for descent.
Spartan 2 visual. Spartan 3-2, confirm clear land. Lofty Tower, roger, have been clear to land.
Okay, right. We've got absolutely no worries about your general development. You're absolutely on course to deploy with us, and you're exactly where you need to be on that trajectory right now. So well done.
Sweet, thanks.
It means that we trust him to go into a war zone. And when we deploy, I fully expect Harry to be coming with us.
Oh, we bought knockoff beers or something.
Our boys thought Typhoon pilots were elite pilots, so to be in that company, it's a great sense of achievement.
Cheers, boys.
But equally, this is where things get real now. The next jet you see might not be a friendly one, so consequences are real.